Hi. Hi, Sid Reviews. Thank you for joining. Hello, So It Easy. Hello, Words with Sana. Good evening, all of you. Thank you for joining. As you can see from the smile on my face, I'm very excited about the book going live tomorrow. Hi, Dara. Thank you for joining. Hello, Land Rescuers. So I'm going to go ahead and invite one of the viewers because she was one of the people who answered most of the guess the titles, and yes, I'm going to invite her now. There seems to be a problem. Just stay with me for a while. Hello, Neil, Nitin, Nora for joining. Hey, Highland Rescuers. Thank you for your comment. Hello, Akansha. Hello, Create Art for Life. Hello, Earth by Akriti. Hi, Shivangi. Thank you for joining. Okay, I am going to go ahead and invite our first guest for tonight.
Hi,
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also very good. So, firstly, congratulations. You are one of the few people who answered most of the guess the title posts correctly. So, how does it feel?
Yay!
How do you feel about getting all the titles right? Mostly all the titles.
I feel really amazing. I mixed up the stories, but yeah, eventually I got it right, so I'm happy. The secret is that I always went through the blurbs that you shared on WhatsApp and thought what should be the story. I really enjoyed it.
So, are you excited for the book going live tomorrow?
Definitely, I'm really excited because there are so many nice stories and they are all from different genres. There's thrill, there's romance, there's kid story on Christmas. So I'm definitely very excited for the book.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to your thoughts on the book. Whenever you buy it and read it, please do tell me how you found the stories and how you found the book. Yeah,
Definitely, definitely. You don't need to say that, Manali.
and
I'll
I
be
am
happy to
also
review it.
sorry, you were saying something.
I'm more than happy to review it.
And thank you to you for engaging in my post and always being so regular with the comments and well, congratulations also on getting most of them right.
Thank you so much. It was a fun riddle or fun puzzle for me too. I mean, it was sort of a stress buster. Like
Yeah,
I really enjoyed it.
that's great. That's great. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and invite my next viewer for tonight. So you will have to press the cross button on your screen.
Okay, sure. All the best
Thank
for your
you.
book. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. So that was Akriti, one of the engagers in the Guess the Title post. And I'm going to go ahead and invite my next viewer. I am searching for her here. Okay. Hello, Raj Lakshmi. Hello, Pen Ink Rights. Thank you. Hello, Vikas Lohar. Okay, I am not able to invite her, so I'm going to go ahead and invite someone else. Okay. Going to join us soon. Stay with us, guys. Hello, Biblioscribe. Hello, all for joining. You guys are amazing. Thank you for joining. Something is wrong here. I'm sorry. Shivangi M is saying you looking gorgeous. You Thank you so much, Shivangi. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and invite someone else. Hello, feelings and expressions. Hi, Shivani. Thank you. Hello, Ananya.
Uh,
Hey,
Ankita,
Priyanka. Firstly, good evening and welcome to my life.
good evening, and thank you for inviting me.
So, Ankita also managed to get how many? 3 to 4 titles correct, right?
I remember three, but I I think one was like, okay, I needed help in that one.
Oh, congratulations on getting half of them right. That's also an
Thank
achievement because I know some of them are really tough.
Yes, with tons of words because I was thinking like, what is going to happen? I even had a dictionary open.
So, did that help you crack the answers?
No, it did not. It did not.
Oh my God. So, how was your experience engaging with the post?
It was a brilliant idea because I have seen tons of promotional posts on new books, but this was such an innovative idea and it was such a nice idea to be interacting with your readers, and I really liked it. And especially when you were giving out the name, I was excited to be like, staying up till 12 a.m. to be like, oh, what's the title? What's the title
We have
now?
one more to go. Tonight at 12. One more to go. Last one.
Yeah, I am waiting for that one. And I am waiting for the book itself. And congratulations, actually, it is coming up very soon.
Thank you. Thank you. And congratulations to you and thank you to you for engaging in the post. Yeah. I
Yeah,
look
it was
forward to
it
your
was
thoughts on the book.
yeah, I look forward to reading all the stories because you have created such a there's no other word I can say, such a hype about it that I really want to read it as soon as possible.
I hope the book lives up to the hype that I have created. That's all I can say right now.
Well, it'll be judging from my past works, I think it is going to be awesome, and thank you again for creating such a beautiful.
You have read one of my previous two books, right? Uh,
Yes, yes,
the
I
Untold,
have read.
the
Well,
Untold Stories you have read,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. I
Oh
have
yes,
read
I
that.
remember. Yours was one of the reviews that I loved because it was so insightful and it's so detailed. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you. I try to do that. I try to do that because I understand the anticipation that a writer or an author has with all the reviews. So I try to be as descriptive as possible and as honest as possible.
Thank you, Ankita. And I think you will have to cut the call from your end so that I can
Oh,
invite the next viewer. Thank you for joining me today.
thank you.
So that was okay. Can't wait to read your books. Thank you so much, Shivani. Now I'm going to invite my next viewer. Hello, Ananya. Hello, Benphobia. Hey, Prajwal. Hi. Good evening.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am very well. How are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. So this is the first time I'm doing live on Instagram. So
Oh,
really exciting.
how are you feeling? Going live with me and
I'm a little
this.
nervous and a little bit of
Don't
butterfly.
worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Nobody judges here. Especially I don't judge, and I'm sure the viewers are also not judging. So,
Oh,
Prajwal, do you want to tell me your experience around my post, the Guess the Title post? How has it been for you?
that was one of the toughest thing which I was solved because it was really complicated, ma'am. Like coming up with the titles, and I'm little weak in vocabulary, so I was using dictionary as the Ankita said, and it was really tough, ma'am.
But thank you for engaging with the post anyway. You tried. I am sorry, but you were one of those people who never got one of those rights, but you were engaging regularly despite that, and I am thankful for that.
Welcome.
And so the book goes live tomorrow. I'm looking forward to your thoughts and reviews on it. And do please download whenever the book goes live. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you for joining me today. I think you will have to cut it from your end.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye. 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 Hello to all the new people who joined. I am going to go ahead and invite our next viewer. Hi Surbi. Hi Anchal Arora. I'm waiting for my next viewer to join me. There seems to be a problem. Sorry, guys.
Hi
Hey, hi,
Dave.
Prachi.
Hi, how are
Good evening.
you?
I'm very
Good
well. How are you?
evening. I'm also doing good.
So tell me about your experience with the post.
I would say they were a lot of fun. Like, even though they were tough, because just from the moment you used to post it at 5 in the evening, I always used to think what it is going to be. And after you would post it, I would constantly think what that word would be doing everything else. So my mind used to be preoccupied with that only. So it was a
But
lot of fun.
you guessed three of them correctly, if I'm remembering right.
Around two or three, yeah.
Yes. So congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And so the book goes live tomorrow. What are your thoughts about that? Are you excited to read the book?
I'm very excited. I'll read it in this week only for sure. I'm going to tell you how I like it because I really love the untold stories. I love
Thank
the
you
way
so
you
much.
put your emotions. I have told you that. I really love the way you write. So yeah, I'm really excited to read it.
So since you said you loved my untold stories, there is a surprise for you because you love the micro tales. So there is a little surprise for you in the book. Uh, Basically, this book is all about short stories. But there is something for all those people who loved and appreciated my untold stories. So
Oh,
they've given you something more to be excited about.
nice. I'll be waiting for it.
Tomorrow 5 p.m. I am doing the Instagram live. You can see the book and the cover, everything, and then you can buy. Go ahead and buy it.
Okay, sure.
Thank you for joining me today. Bye. You'll have to cut it from your
Bye.
end.
For sure.
Bye.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Bye.
Bye. I'm waiting for my next viewer to join me. She was also one of the people who got the answers right. Just stay with us, guys. We have many few people. Ajay, Kapadia, Aisha, Isha, sorry. Thank you for joining. We have Artistic Space. We have Chinmay the Chan. Thank you all for joining. You all are very kind to join at such a late hour. I'm waiting for my viewer to join me. Till then, if you have any questions for me, please ask in the comments. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the book which is going to be released tomorrow. Okay, so there is some issue, network issue, I think. So I'm going to invite someone else now. Okay. Hey, hi Lavanya.
Hi, how are you?
I am very well. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
So, how has your experience been? I think you got three titles right, correct?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I think three. Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations on that. They were very tough, I know, because I was making the guessing very tough.
Yeah. Initially, the first two were a little tough to get, but then after that, with the clue, it was, I kept thinking about the clue and the picture, so, and then I could kind of relate to the picture with the clue, and then I got it. So, yeah, it was fun. It was really fun doing the exercise. Yeah.
So it was really fun for me as well. More than the people who are commenting, I was excited to see what the people are saying, how they are guessing, is it going to be
Yeah.
right or not. So I'm going to
That's
be a little sad also because today the last post has gone up and from tomorrow
Yeah,
it is going to stop.
correct. I think
So
it's
anyway, the book is releasing tomorrow. I hope you will enjoy it. You will buy it and enjoy it, And do share your thoughts with me whenever you finish reading the book. Yeah. Thank you
Sure,
for
yeah.
joining me today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
You will have to cut it from your end. Touchwood Works joined. Hello. Hello to all the new people who joined. The last title, please. Okay, so the last title will be revealed as always at midnight. So you'll have to wait, Priya. I'm so sorry. Push a Pencil is asking me, you are releasing paperback to tomorrow. No, I'm not releasing the paperback right now. Probably after a month or so, because currently no publisher that I want to go ahead with is willing to publish the paperback. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and invite my next guest. Hello, Ruby. Hello, Touchwood Works. Thank you, Pratik Kambya. Hey, hi, Dhara.
Finally, I got it.
What was
How are
the
you?
network problem? I sent you request 4 to 5 times.
I also thought that why I'm not in, everyone is coming, I'm not joining in.
So yes, tell me about your experience with the Guess the Title post.
It was amazing, amazing. All your titles were also amazing, and I was like, when the title is like you keep the status now on Insta story, I immediately used to check the hashtags to get that, hints. If I'll
Smart,
get
smart girl, very smart. Yes, I was putting the answers in the hashtags. I don't think everyone was making, yeah, trying to guess that from the hashtags. Very smart.
very
So
excited, yeah, to
you got 3 titles right, correct?
yes, yes. Today also I got the third title right.
So 3 in all. Wow, that's great. Congratulations to you. So yes, how excited are you about the book? It is releasing tomorrow.
I am very, very excited and very interesting stories. All the topics, all the titles are really interesting to read here. Very excited. I just listened. I just listened that it's releasing tomorrow at 5 p.m. So I'll be the
Yes,
first one to buy. Yeah.
for sure. And please, once you have finished reading it, please do share your thoughts with me. I want to know how was your experience reading it and whether you like the stories or not.
Sure, I'll do so.
Congratulations and thank you for engaging in the post. And thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
You
Bye.
have to cut it from your end.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye. So I am waiting for my next guest to join us. Uh, not able to find that person. Hello to all the new people who joined. Achal Arora says hello, ma'am. Hi, Achal. Ajay. Opa Kumar, Daily English Learnings. Thank you. You guys are so kind for joining me. Thank you. I am going to invite a surprise guest now because that person has also engaged in my guess the title post. Let's see if she accepts. Till then, if you have any questions for me, ask me in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Anything related to writing, anything related to my book, which is releasing tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you for joining. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also very well. Raju Baba is saying hi, dear. Hi. Ananya, I think you also got 2 titles right, correct?
Yes, one and one half was right,
Congratulations on that. And would you like to tell our viewers how was your experience?
It's like amazing. I'm already so excited about your book. I want to read it like as soon as possible. I think
Yeah.
I'm going to slowly.
We have one more title to go, which will be revealed at midnight, as always. And then the book you can buy from tomorrow. I think from tomorrow morning only it should be live. But I think you should wait till 5 p.m. because 5 p.m. Pakka it will be.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining me, Ananya, today, and thank you for engaging on my post. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
You'll have to cut from your end. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we have only one more guest remaining. I'm going to go ahead and see if they are available in online. Okay, they are not available. So I think that's about it. To all the viewers who are still with me, my book is releasing tomorrow, and I am going to launch the book on Instagram Live tomorrow at 5 p.m. I will be revealing the cover also tomorrow at the same time. So do join me tomorrow at 5 p.m. when I reveal the cover, because it is very beautiful. It is one of my favorite covers from all my books so far. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope I will see you all tomorrow again at 5 p.m. Bye. Good night.